Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Git and Vscode are installed and working. This is essential because Vscode uses the Git CLI. Once done, open Vscode and the integrated terminal, then run git config user. Name and git config user. Email to set identity. Next, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen, or prepare a personal access token if you prefer HTTPS. Make sure to copy the public SSH key to GitHub or save the token to your password manager so authentication is ready. Now authenticate and connect a repository so Vscode can talk to GitHub. If using SSH, paste the public key into GitHub and test with SSH tgit at GitHub. If using a token, configure the credential helper or Vscode Git authentication. Then clone a repo from GitHub using the clone command or git clone in the terminal and open it in Vscode. Use the source control view to stage files, write commit messages, and push. Vscode will handle the git commands once authentication succeeds. Finish by pushing commits and setting an upstream branch so future pushes are simple. Run git push uorigin main or your branch name, then verify on GitHub that your commit is visible. If Vscode prompts for credentials again, make sure the SSH agent is running or the personal access token has correct scopes. If you hit permission denied or authentication failures, double-check the uploaded public key, agent forwarding, or remove saved credentials and re-authenticate. These steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.